Some garments are meant to be personalized. Hey guys, today we are going to be doing a thrift flip on this vintage jeans shirt. The inside color is so nice that a very good cuff will look really good. So if we shorten a little bit, it will look nice, but if we take advantage of the cuff, it will look fantastic. So I'm having flat on my table, and as you can see, we have talked about that before. The sides are a little bit shorter, like it's not completely straight. But if you want to make cuff, it has to be straight. So I'm marking where I want my cuff to be. I mark it first inside and then I pass the measurement outside, and I'm folding my shirt on the center just to be sure that it will be symmetrical in both sides. And you can see that the shape of the blouse is not completely straight, so we are going to fix that. I'm going to use the center line to make a perpendicular hem line. And you can see that it seems where I need the hem, and then I will fold this one twice. So I'm measuring 3 inches all the way, and that will mark the hem. See, the hem has to be straight, so we can do that. You see that it doesn't look straight because of the sides. The sides comes a little bit out, but we were going to fix that. After I cut, I'm passing my line towards the other side, and now I'm going to put my shirt straight, and as you can see, I will fold it this way. For my next step, I need to flip my shirt inside out because I want to work the sides. I'm gonna check how much the shirt flared out, and I'm gonna fold as many times it needs to be folded and mark a line using the side line so I can fold it later. So now, as you can see, my side line is kind of crooked, coming one way in another, and then I'm gonna sew over my line. I will do that as well at the other side, and now I'm ready to fold. So I'm gonna pass all my lines to the inside just to make easier the folding. Just gonna fold it, and look at that. Now that I took in, the flare is all straight and the cuff is nice and taut. Now I'm gonna pin up my cuff all the way around because I want to make a top stitch so it will stay. I will try to find a thread color similar to the one that the shirt already has, and I think this one is very good. If you want to have a nicer finish, you can sew a bias on the seam allowance. That makes a really great look. But today I'm going for the rustic look. So now that everything is pinned in place, I just need to top stitch. I'm gonna leave 1/4 inch so it has more like the jeans aesthetic. And I'm gonna iron everything just so it's flat and nice. And look at that, that's my shirt. It looks really good. I can say that I'm always trying to change everything, and my question for you today is, do you buy clothes thinking that you are going to change with an alteration, or do you try to look for the garment that will be perfect for you? So guys, that was all for today. If you find this video useful, please give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Bye!